On the show, Soumya embarrasses Kabir. Kabir makes snowballs. Soumya gets in the holiday season. Kabir meets a certain cake.
Let's go! Let's go!
Hey guys, welcome to How To. And as you can see, Soumya is being her mature best.
I am being in the festive spirit, Kabir. You're being such a grouch. Look
Okay.
at this. Tra la 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 la.
Guys, there are a lot of things that you need to take care and take from us when it comes to how to do XYZ. But how to dress up for Christmas, don't take a clue from us. We have no clue
But
how to dress
how
up
to
for
make
Christmas.
snow? You can take a clue from us.
Can
This
you
is
just-
the Christmas special and I'm super excited. And we are going to make some snow today.
I have no words for this, really.
There are many things that make Christmas special. But there's nothing better than a white Christmas. Now, living where we do, that's next to impossible. That's how this How To came about. We asked a bunch of people if they thought it was possible to make snow, and if so, how would they do it?
किससे बात कर रही हो फोन पे? Hi. Who is it?
It's my friend.
Can I talk to her? Hello, Aditi will talk to you in some time. Bye. Can you create snow on your own?
No, I can't.
Sneha, tell me one thing. Do you know how to make snow? Because it's Christmas.
Yes, by cotton.
Okay, Justin, tell me one thing. It's Christmas, right?
Yeah.
Do you know how to make snow?
Snow? No, actually that can came of snow.
How do you make snow?
With ice.
As you can see, Soumya has not seen a Christmas tree in her life. Soumya, story भी करनी है, आगे बात भी करनी है. क्या कर रही है?
Kabir, can I embarrass you some more?
Go ahead.
Yeah. I feel it in my fingers. I feel it in my toes.
See, listen. शांत हो जा.
Christmas is all around me and Kabir knows.
People will start throwing money at us. So let's get to the point. We are going to teach you how to create that fake snow.
That is correct. And to create fake snow, you need some things.
Certain
and
things.
which is why we are here to get those certain things. Can I embarrass you some more? I feel it in my fingers. Happy, come on. Be
It was great, fun, embarrassing Kabir, and honestly, I could do it all day. But it was time to head to the store to pick up all the stuff we needed to make snow.
Oh, I think that's it. Yaar, can we take something to eat?
No, we can't take it.
I'm hungry now.
We have to buy like chota conditioner water.
Soda kahan hai?
Even with all the distractions like a house made of cake and cookies, Kabir's grumbling stomach, and well, some more great looking treats, we managed to find and buy everything.
Sir, ये सब bill कर दीजिएगा, madam pay करेगी. Go, pay.
Wallet, in a wallet.
I'm not paying. I am just not paying. Pay.
Kabir, I have no money on me.
I don't care.
Corrections, I bought everything.
I am not gonna pay.
I thought
Ow! Ow! So alright, so here's the deal. We got everything that we need
Needed.
for this particular how to.
Yes.
Which is how to create fake snow.
Fake
Now,
means snow, yeah. Just be in the spirit, Kabir. Snow. Okay.
snow which is fake. There are 3 ways to go about it.
Yes.
1.
What? No,
The first way?
no. But there are 3 ways of going about it. That he's correct about. But what all have we bought? What do we need for the 3 ways? First, let's everyone take a look at that, and then I'll come back for the first way.
Okay.
Take a look.
Alright, the first method is
You see this little packet right here? This packet is full of
fake snow.
thermocol. Now this is something that you can buy, but you can also make it for really cheap at home. All you need to do.
डब्बा है ना जिसमें टीवी आया था. You remember that? Yeah, exactly.
Thermocol को लेके, you just like make it chura chura.
Crumble it.
Crumble it.
Making snow from thermocol is not only easy but super cheap. What's great is the texture that you get. It's light and gives a feeling of freshly falling snow.
Alright, the method number 2 is not as easy as method number 3 that you will see, or the method number 1.
Huh? No, no, no. Method number 2 is not as easy as method number 1. Okay?
So we are confused. Okay, but this
You
is
are
method
confused.
number 2.
This is method number 2. We are going to mix baking soda with conditioner to make snow.
Exactly. This guy is as fair as Tiger Shroff.
He's
Or
just
Kareena
stuck
Kapoor.
on Open it.
Same.
Once you've got everything together, all that needs to be done is...
If you want to make little, then you use 1 packet. We're going to just use 1 packet of baking soda here.
And secondly, we are not too sure how much it will react, so that's why we're using just 1 packet.
Okay.
Even though this is baking soda that one uses in food, we recommend to keep this form of snow away from children since it's got hair conditioner in it. It's not very expensive to make, and because of the texture it's got, it would look great on...
I got us a twig.
So as you can see, this is the kind of twig that you have, and
Christmas twig.
you can put some snow on it.
Snow on the twig. Look.
We
like
don't
that.
believe in cutting down trees, that's why we are just showing it with...
Yeah, fake Christmas twig.
Exactly. You can do it to the entire Christmas tree. And that, my friend, this is how you get fake snow from conditioner and baking soda. Don't do that. Don't.
What's more, you can get creative with it by adding color or sparkles. We prefer to keep it white.
These are diapers.
Yes.
And this is the third and the final method of creating fake snow.
But before we do that, we asked a few people if it was possible, if they thought we could do this.
क्या आपको लगता है कि fake snow diaper से बनाई जा सकती है?
Using diapers? No, no, I don't think so.
Do you think it's possible to create snow using diapers?
Not at all. No.
You know the things that you used to wear a few years back? They're called diapers. So, do you think you can create snow using diapers?
No.
Is it possible to create snow using diapers?
Yes, busted.
All right.
Diaper.
Diaper.
Diaper. Okay. What we need to do is take this stuff out, which is over here inside.
What stuff?
This cottony stuff right here.
The material inside the diaper, needless to say, is super absorbent, which makes it great for making snow. But here is a warning, it is not easy to get all that material out. Once we got down to doing it, it was tedious and took a fair bit of time. Only after a few we gave up. The more you have the patience for, the more snow you will have.
Are you ready for the magic?
Okay, I'm ready for the magic.
I don't think we're going to be using all of it. I'm
Okay.
just going to say use
So what you
like,
need to do is take this stuff out
Yeah.
from the
diaper, and then
and
pour water
pour
in.
water in it.
Fingers crossed. This is the
Fingers
first time we are doing it.
All this needs is water. Pour at your own discretion. Keep testing as you go on. We emptied more than a bottle. Finally, we were not only happy with the consistency but how it looked. It was shining and glistening snow.
So you can probably make snowballs out of this also. Wait, let me make a snowball.
Yeah, snowball. Let's make a snowball. Let's make a snowball.
So this is completely a fake snow,
Snowball.
made out of nothing but diapers.
Non-toxic, super absorbent diapers.
Now this method is not cheap, as we found out diapers cost a bomb. But the best part is that they are non-toxic, something we can't stress enough on. Kids can play with it and it looks so very real.
Hi guys, what's up? Meet my new friend, Kabir. Say hello. Hello.
Fair and cute. Is that Tiger Shroff?
Kabir, don't be mean, yeah. It's Christmas for God's sake.
Kareena Kapoor.
So, no. Okay, so snow, check. Ugly sweater,
Check.
Okay, decorations,
Check.
Santa is gonna come up in a while.
Check.
In a while. Now, what else is left for Christmas?
Greeting cards.
Yay! Greeting card! There are all kinds of holiday cards. The one you pick and mail, the one you make using an app and then text, and then there are NFC enabled cards. The last one is what we're going to try and do on How To today. Here's the plan. The holiday card that we send this season should be able to launch a quick video message with it. But before you try and do anything, this is what you're going to need.
First things first, let's make that short and sweet holiday video message.
Here's wishing you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year.
Once it's recorded, transfer to your desktop and upload it to YouTube. Make sure when you're uploading, the privacy settings is turned to unlisted. This way, your video will not be up for public search.
Once uploaded, I'm going to receive a link for this video. Now, I'm going to need this NFC tag right here to read the link so that the video opens with one tap. If you're confused, take a look at this.
This currently only works with Android. Sorry iPhone owners, you will have to stick to just sending an email. Android owners, download this app called Trigger. Once installed, click the plus symbol for a new task. Under Applications, select NFC. Now set the task by checking on the URL option. Type in the URL of the video you received earlier. Once you're all set, pick up the NFC tag and place on the back of the phone. This will enable the Android to read the tag and program it. It will let you know once the tag is successfully written.
Now for the exciting part, I'm going to test this tag. So here's my Christmas card. I'm going to stick it to this. So once anyone who receives this card sees the tag, taps it, and the video message should open, and it should be something like this. NFC tags are easily available online. We got about 10 of those and $350. So what are you waiting for? Send some video holiday cheer this season. Happy holidays.
Presents under the Christmas tree come from...
Hey!
What?
Don't spoil it for the kids,
what?
dude.